Hi everyone, it's Mel here. Hope you're all well. So I thought I'd try something a little different for this video today. So I'm going to do a little bit of a commentary on the videos that you'll see here. So these are some clips of some pretty dodgy and dubious overtakes that I've seen while I've been out and about. Sometimes it's been pupils driving, sometimes it's been myself driving. So most of the time I'm usually driving the speed limit or just underneath the speed limit. If it's my pupils, sometimes my pupils might be going a little bit slower, but obviously we've got the L plate on top to show people that there's a learner. And some of these clips are just really to highlight the risks that people take and whether or not they actually gain anything from it and whether it's worth the risk. I just wanted to sort of show these to you to make you more aware of your driving and other people's driving around you. I always try to analyze people's behaviours while I'm out and about, because I've got to try and be objective about their driving behaviour and explain to people why people do things like this. As you can see from this video here, people do take quite high risks with the driving and with their own lives for not really much gain. So here, for example, you've got this white car that's just overtaken me in quite a risky situation with a car coming towards us. But then they've had to slow right down for the speed camera, and then up ahead there's also a bus which they've had to slow down for as well. So they're slowing back down to probably under 30 mile an hour. So they've not really got very far. They've not really benefited much from their overtake. You know, I've nothing wrong with, I don't have any problem with overtaking in general as long as it is safe and legal. And the issue I have is when people take risks like this, when there's cars coming towards them, they're risking their own lives, they're risking other people's lives, and not really for much gain with what they're doing. And I think the main issue is with a lot of people's driving is they're just not thinking about what they're doing. I think if people actually thought about what they were doing and why they were doing it and actually planned ahead a little bit more, they would realise that there's actually no point overtaking. They might as well just wait. This, for example, here with the BMW coming past all the cars, yeah, they might have gained maybe a minute, maybe a couple of minutes, but they've overtaken a lot of traffic, they've risked people's lives. On this one as well, you'll see that people squeeze past on the left, driving on the pavement. Again, I'm starting to move forward here, so all they had to do is wait about 30 seconds and they would have been able to get past safely. It's really just not worth the risk. Just try and be a bit more patient when you're driving, especially if you're behind a learner. We were all learners once, and it doesn't take much just to be a bit more patient, be a bit calmer, and just try and enjoy the drive rather than trying to rush everywhere. Try and think about what you're doing, and you'll probably find that you become a much calmer driver and you stop getting quite angry as at people because you're not rushing as much maybe. But I think if everyone actually thought about what they were doing in general a bit more, then they'd just find it a much nicer experience. Anyway, I hope these videos have been at least entertaining, maybe. I don't know whether the commentary's helped at all, but I just wanted to give you a bit of a commentary, like I say, to highlight why people do things and just to maybe make you think a bit more next time that you're wanting to overtake somebody, maybe take a bit of a risk. It's just not really worth it most of the time. Okay, safe driving everyone. Take care. Bye.